The backyard red-bellied woodpeckers have developed a fetish for canary grass seed and oat groats, something that's not often offered to wild birds. I've been using Wild Harvest Daily Blend nutritional diet for parakeet, canary, and finch in 10-pound bags for years. And while intended for pet or captive birds, it is actually craved by wild birds, especially cardinals, painted bunnings, and doves, who love the high-quality millet, and the jays and other larger birds will generally not prefer it or eat too much of it if they have peanuts or other food to eat. I'll put a link in the description. This mix is mostly quality white millet with red millet and has a very small percentage of canary grass seed, which is a long slender seed and easy for the birds to open, and oat groats. And it is these limited seeds that the red bellies cherish, vying to be the first to arrive when the morning seed is put out, to typically grab these one by one and quickly cache them temporarily, at least for enjoying later. This view is about as close as you can get to a red-bellied woodpecker without touching it.